I am of course late, so, and all my lights weren't on. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I review synthetic wigs here, mostly. A little bit of car vlogs, a little bit of makeup, but today we're doing a wig review, okay? And I have Freetress equals Freedom Part wig. Her name is Freedom Part 101. And she is one of those shiftable parts. I have her in the color FF430. It is a lace parting wig. It is not a lace front, which I actually love, and Freetress Rico is one of my favorites. And yeah, scooped her up from Ebony line for $18.95. So let's get her. This is her. Sorry, I'm like so late. Ooh, she almost has like a face framing situation going on here. You can see she's definitely like a number 4. Nice parting space. 2 combs in the front. She's got one of those like meshy wig caps, which are super comfortable and breathable. She has 2 combs in the back, adjustable straps. She's definitely a silkier texture. She's not a real yucky texture. So if you have natural hair that is not that textured, then this could be a good one for you. I'll probably have to put a little bit of like dry shampoo and hairspray on here just so that there's not flyaways going on. I'm not gonna do too much to her because I'm late and I laid baby hairs down. So let's get her on. Super sure. Oh, sure. She's really going with my 90s grunge thing that I got going on. Super roomy wig cap. Very comfortable. All right, let me get her together and then we'll talk about her. That literally took like a minute to get together. I really like this wig. It's definitely not a yucky texture. She's gonna tangle, but she's only about 20 inches. I really like that it's got sort of this like face framing, like beautiful number, what's it, 30? Yeah, FF430. So it's a number 30 highlight. I think that's so pretty, especially like for fall. And let's look at her from the back. I am experiencing a little bit of shedding. And since it's not a lace front, it can't be because I cut my lace, so that's just something to consider. Here's the back. Density is really nice. It's not really thick density, but it's probably more of a realistic density. The one thing always, like when I wear lace parting wigs, which I love, I just make sure that I lay this part in the front down so it falls over where those front wefts are. And I feel like that really helps it to like blend in better. So I just apply heat and actually pull it down over the weft and then apply the heat. So far so good. I mean, she is gonna tangle. She is a long, but she's not super long synthetic wig, so just keep that in mind. So far so good. I like her. I'm gonna wear her out, so we'll see. You know how I roll. I love the Freetress Equal, so if there's a Freetress Equal wig that you would like me to review, please put that down below. I am gonna put a little bit of this styling cream in just to like dirty it up a little bit. I feel like when it's super silky like this, that can help just to keep it, you know, run it along in the front here, you know, just to give it that like second day hair situation. Yeah, I'm liking her. So again, if you have another wig that you would like me to review from the Freetress line that I have not yet, put that down below. And if there's another straight wig you'd like me to review, put that also down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you